Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload a profile picture on Vimeo. So let's start. First, open the Vimeo app. When the app is open, tap on the profile icon on top right corner, which is just beside the bell icon. Then go to your profile by tapping on View Profile. Now to add a profile picture, tap on Edit Profile and then tap on Change Photo. You can take a photo right away or choose a photo from your gallery. I'll tap on Choose Photo so that I can upload a photo from my gallery. Now I'll just quickly select a picture. You can scale and crop the video as you want. I'll just reposition it. When you are done, tap Done on top right corner. And then tap Save on top right corner. And your profile picture will be uploaded on Vimeo. And by following this process, you can change your profile picture anytime you want. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.